guys, good afternoon. At exactly 3 p.m. Send-off party.
Anong bang ikaw pumunta sa Ramon? Meron.
Okay, so ayan, nag-practice na natin yung mga bandorya. Mga bandoryan band. Sa pangunguna yan ni Ma'am Cheryl Pasta. So, at send-off party ng ating Sir Jeric Ulpindo. So ating principal 1. Matatransfer na siya sa San Narciso. So dumating na po ang ating PTA President, ang ating kapitana, ating PSDS, si Mama Irene, ang ating Buenos Paya President, si Sir Roger Vilipando, si Ma'am Babes, of course, yung aking napakabait at napakagandang teacher. Ayan. Ayan na, si Sir Jeric, oh. Aalis na siya, oh.
Sabay na kami na sa...
Ayan, bati-bati muna.
Sabay-sabay tayo, ano? Ako hindi pa. Ay, di pa.
Ako yan, oh, next, ano na.
Nasaba na rin na Sir Jeric.
Dapat nagpagupit ka, mas maganda na yung long hair, ay.
Ang banas na. Ginaya ko yung gupit dito. Parang ang nare-latest. Sabi kayo ginaya nyo ngayon.
At dumating na po ang ating mga panahing pandangal, si Ma'am Jaika Recamora, si Sir Noble Franca. Ayan na po. Ayan na po. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman, napakaagap talaga ng mga senior natin. Oh, ayun na. Oh. Allah. Oh. Ayan po ang ating rondalya sa panguna ng ating serbotor. Joke lang. Hindi, panguna yung pasta. Cherry pasta yan.
Sa lahat po ng nandito, mga guro, mga mag-aaral, isang magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat.
Maraming salamat po. Una po, pagbati po ng magandang hapon. Una kahit wala po sa dito. Ating pong Municipal Mayor Honorable Reynaldo Ray Rosilia Jr. Sa ating pong pangalawang pulong bayan, Honorable Alden Ray Rivera. Sa una-una po pagbati sa ating minamahal na pulong bayan, Honorable.
At isang intervention number para sa ating mga SSG officers. Ayan, mag-start na sila.
Honorable Reynaldo Senior, represented by the former Sangguniang Bayan member, Pangkilog Franca.
Ito ako may idea yung sa atin pong Vice Mayor, kagalang-galang Alden Ray Rivera. Order number 19, Series of 2022, yung diniscuss ko. May konting pagbabago pagdating dun sa Defense Order number 7, dun sa computation noong left. Mas tumaas kasi divide din na, hindi na natin divide 100 minus 25, hindi na. So, sabi ko nga, binabati ko sa Sir Jeric, talagang
laging napakaagap nakikita di ba? Sa atin pong personalidad na nandito sa presidential table, especially to the person who will be sending off. For second mayor, Honorable Mayor Reynaldo Ray Sir Arnel! Kailangan po ang partisipasyon niyo, Sir Arnel. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga machete!
Mayor Honorable A.R. Rivera, to our
Kahalo na kami natutuwa at may kahalong kalungkutan. So una, ay kami natutuwa sapagkat siya ay makakapagbahagi ng kaalaman hindi lang sa bayan ng Buena Vista, kung hindi sa bayan ng San Narciso, sa aming bayan. Kaya ako'y natutuwa. Opo, sir. Ayan. Kami naman po ay nalulungkot sa bilang kumpare, bilang katrabaho, bilang mga kaibigan, sapagkat yung normal na araw-araw namin nakikita at nakasama dito ay medyo limitado na yung mga ganong pagkakataon. Pero anyway, kami ay lubusan at papasalamat. Ginagana at kapitan pinagana. Tagal po, yan po ay kapamilya na po namin. Yan po ay naging teacher ko ng grade 1. Way back 19...
Elementary.
Siguro mga 91, 92. Huwag na pong pwede na tampoy pa 40 na. Napakagaling pong guro ni Tita Del. Kaya naman po siguro ay siyempre nakapag-produce na magaling na Sir Jerry. At si Sir Jerry po, kung hindi niyo po nitatanong ulit, magtanong naman po kayo. Siya po ay naging teacher ko ng high school. Napakahaba po ng panahon na pinagsamahan namin. Simula 3rd grading hanggang 4th grading. Ganon po kahaba. At doon po sa Islam, sa St. Lawrence, ay bago po kami bigyan ng marilisan ng mga credentials, ay kami po ay magsusul sa board ng isang mathematical
problem.
Abstract ba tawag ko? Kaya hindi ko paborito ang math ay. So yun po. Ay gusto niyo po ba na kwento? May kwento pa ako kay Sir Jerry. Kung nasabi po kanina ni Sir William ay pugan, siyempre meron siyempre itlog. Ako po ay naging saksi sa pag-ibig niyan kay Ma'am. Yung hindi pa nandito, mamaya yung isa.
Booking na.
Po, na kami merong God dito sa Batis Aramin. Ay di kami pinag-ito po. Siyempre, ay kapag lalas po namin ang araw yan, mga tropa-tropa, ay si baby girl. Ay may kotse, Mazda 3. Ay nakakita kami maglugaw. Ang Sir Jerry, ayaw na ayaw. Ay ngayon po, sa sobrang sura ko kay Sir Jerry, ay sabi ko, Sir Jerry, lugaw lang, hindi pa kaya ibigay, itlog pa kaya. Yung kasunod pong pag-ibig, dahil ako po may pinagkakabalan sa may San Vicente, may pinapakaunting hanap buhay, napatambay ako ng kaunti. Sa sobrang tambay ko, sobrang init ko doon sa aming tauhang inaantay, may dumaan na Aerox. Tapos nakajakit, sino kaya ito? Pero kulay white. Ay siguro ay... Naandito. Oh! So, napaamin ko naman siya. E di sabi ko, ito lamang. Baka pwede naman yung itlog ibisa inaat na maging ibon. Para at least, si Tita Dela ay kahit papalo, eh siyempre, iba pa rin yung galing sa iyo. Ate Bibi. Sa Ate Bibi naman po, ayan po yung klase ng kapatid ko. Magaling din po yan. Pero mas magaling si Sir Jerry. So, gano'n nga po, ay sabi ko Sir Jerry, ay dahil pag-ibig yan, pakiusap naman, tuloy-tuloyin ko na. Kasi po, kaya kung tinidad ko ngayon, nagkanak pa ako ng isa, ay para po ata 65 years old na ako, nagpapakalit pa ako.
Oo nga naman.
Kaya sa bagay, yan ang may kagustuhan rin yung dalawa, hindi pagpatuloy na. Na po. Pero kung gusto mo nung sinasabi kong ina-advise ko sa iyo, ay, 2 to 3 hours, ayos yan. So yun lang po at Sir Jerry, parang Jerry, ay alam ko na pagbalik mo dito, yung lahat na nauna nagsalita, retired na. Si Tuna, si Mampi, si Sir Villapando. Ay nag-aatay sila ng pagbalik. Sabi ko, nag-aatay si Tuna ng pagbalik. Samantalang pagbalik ni Sir Jerry, sigurado ako, ay may kanya na din. Send-off parties, pag-Tuna Galsote. At ang bata na naman yun, sigurado. Ayun ka na yun. So yun po, ay ang inaantay na lang po namin pagkatapos itong center party, ay yung ating counting alam naman. Kasi mas magaling ako sa inyo kaysa sa pagsasalita sa harapan. Nervous po ako.
Nagbuking lang, nervous pa.
Salamat po. Ang kasunod po ngayon ay si Kuya Odel Kawa. Balot na rin ang Kaweli.
Lagyan ko sa Arvin.
Ay, sige po. Salamat po.
So, kaya pala kasama si Sir Arvin para sa mga kwento. Ano po?
Lagayakan.
May mga kwento. Halos wala naman masakit na salita para kay Sir Jerry. Pero, ang po mga kasamahan, magandang hapon po. Medyo panin na. Nagkipagin, lola na ako.
Boy, madilim na.
The loneliness is over, and today is the moment to say thank you to all. To the Honorable Reynaldo P. Jr., the man of action and generosity, to the most handsome among the Vice Mayor of Quezon, Honorable Alvin Reyes, to the passionate educator in town, our public school district supervisor, Sir Cyril Reyes, to the ever-supportive principal to Sir Roger P. Villapando, to the committee chairman of education, Honorable Jaita Ricamora, to the assistant school principal to Sir Roland Dolcino, to the barangay company, Honorable Luisa Ibarra, to the General PTA President, Honorable Romy Ramos, to my co-head teachers, Ma'am Marita A. Coutinho, Ma'am Maria Cristina M. Pareto, to the master teachers, Ma'am Yasmin Montilla, Doc Albert Mercado, and Ma'am Vicky Villaganda, to my colleagues, visitors, especially to Mama, Jen, Phoebe, Tita Wen, and my wife. A pleasant evening to everyone. I am not an educator as you think. I came from the backdoor and luckily loved and appreciated this profession. I don't want to be a teacher because my mother and auntie was a teacher. I took engineering, graduated as industrial engineer, and practiced this career for a short time. Destiny happened to become an educator when my cousin Fatima had to be good. I left my work in an oil mill company to take her created post as a substitute classroom teacher at St. Lawrence Academy Foundation. The following year, I applied for a teaching position at St. Lawrence and served for 3 years. During those days,
in the private sector, I took units in education together with Similia at Eastern Quezon College. And with God's grace, I passed the licensure examination for teaching. So doon nagsimula ko ang lahat. Kasama ko niya si Jopay. In year 2023, when Buena Vista opened 4 secondary schools, Ma'am Glenda Similia, Ma'am Marivic Dinglasan, Sir Eric Molines, and I volunteered to encourage students and parents to enroll at Cabug National High School. So, ang hirap na daan, natumbawa kami, di ba may Similia? Unfortunately, I was dropped from the role 2 weeks before the class started. I moved to Hagungho. At that time, Hagungho National High School was preparing for the opening of classes. I served as TIC to the newly established Hagungho Integrated High School for 3 years. Back then, the teacher salary was funded by the parents. Alas natin yan. Ano ang Similia? In 2026, I got permanent at Maligaya National High School as teacher 1. I served teacher in charge at the same time fourth year advisor. 2 years after I left, and I transferred to Buena Vista National High School. So, parang iniikot ko talaga yung Buena Vista. I remember, kasi kami ni Sir Ed, nag-aaral kami sa masteral, and talagang nagpo-pursue kami ng aming career. I remember when Sir Ed and I submitted documents for teacher 3 position, and luckily our paper was wiped out by Typhoon Undoy at the regional office. So we have to submit again the same papers. In 2010, reclassification was out. Sir Ed was teacher 3, and I was teacher 2. Upon reviewing my papers, I found out one paper was missing. I resubmitted it again together with the missing one. August 2011, 7 months after, I was reclassed as teacher 3. Some are happy, some are not. I didn't care for as long as I qualified. In 2010 also, I took the Master Teacher's Examination and was qualified. The position was not meant for me because Buena Vista is not capable of that position. I had to transfer to another station if I wished to be a Master Teacher. I don't have the courage at that time. May 2017, I don't know if it was a free or a post-birthday gift for me and a blessing. I was reclassed to a head teacher position. Leadership is not as calm as wind blows gently. Most of the times are rolling thunders, turbulent waves, and rocky roads. Being a leader is not an easy task. Some praise you, some talk behind your back. What important is some leader guide you at the most. 2018, I had the chance to take the principal's test. I failed. The test was meant for 120 brilliant school leaders. One of them is from Quezon Province. So I tried once more, and I succeeded. After this day, I have to take the new journey. New people to meet and share experiences, new challenges and opportunities. I want to take this moment to express my heartfelt gratitude for the support that you have given me as I pursue my dreams of becoming a school leader. Above all, Praise and glory to the Almighty God for giving me all the blessings and opportunities that I have achieved at this moment. Thank you for the gift of talents, skills, and wisdom. My parents, the support has helped me to stay focused and determined even during the challenging time. To Ma'am Idenia Olivranda, her leadership style inspired me a lot. Do it miraculously. Jerry, pinatataas mo ang kilay ko up to the 7th floor. Sino ang kasama mo papasa sa batang ito? Ma'am, ako lang po. I tried sa convention center. Phrases that means a lot. Sir Louis Puliero, thank you for the encouragement you led me to the school head staff. To all my mentors and previous principals, thank you for what you have done for me. Your support has truly made the difference in my life and has helped me to achieve my goals. I am excited to recouture on this journey. I could not have done it without you. For Team 3.51, keep going and be strong. We all knew that we did not deserve it. Be it a challenge. This time, she challenged me once more, saying, "So, ikaw naman ang makakaranas ngayon." Warriors, thank you. Yung bakladas with the ex, hindi na ako kasama kasi wala na yung ex. To all who delivered their speeches, thank you so much. I am grateful to have you. To all who contributed their time and effort to this send off, thank you. To the in charge of sound system, decoration, physical facilities, foods, refreshment, lay, corsage, invitation, information, numbers, and program. Our two teachers help with cutting, sticking, and simple contribution. Thank you so much. Venezuela officer, thank you. I love this organization most for we started this camaraderie at Talwik Beach Resort. To my friends and colleagues, to the math department and senior high school department family, my sincere appreciation for the guidance and support as we work together in every endeavor. Our team, together everyone achieves more, has always proven to be true. Your dedication to the excellence and commitment to the students' success was truly inspiring. I am grateful to work with such dedicated and committed group of educators. Mr. Isid, for the guidance, mentorship, and technical assistance, your support and trust when I was in Hagum Home Integrated High School, thank you so much. To Sir Roger Villapando for allowing me to lead the senior high school, to practice my leadership skills, I am grateful. Thank you. Thank you for the memories, the laughs, the shared experiences, and the mentorship. I always cherish the memories of our times together. The 5 qualities of pencil written by Paulo Coelho remind me of something. First, the pencil is capable of great things, but never forget that there is a hand guiding your steps. We call that hand God. He always guides us according to His will. Second, pencil has to stop writing and use a sharpener. That makes the pencil suffer a little, but afterward, he must sharper. We must learn to bear the pain and sorrow because they will make us a better person. Third, the pencil allows us to use eraser to rub any mistakes. This means that correcting something It's not necessary about things. It helps us to keep us on the road to justice. What matters in the pencil is not the wooden exterior, but the graphite inside. So always pay attention to what is happening inside you. Finally, the pencil always leaves a mark. In just the same way, you should know what everything you do in life will leave a mark. So try to be conscious of that one in your every action. As I move forward in my career, I will continue to draw the lessons I learned from the institution that opened the opportunity for me to grow as an educator. I will strive to be the kind of leader that you are leading. Sabi nga po sa Boy Scout, to great educators until such time that we meet again. Salamat sa ayo.
Alright. Napagandang message ba?
Maraming salamat, Sir Jared P. Olpindo, Principal 1 of Villarreal Elementary School.
Alright.
Congratulations, sir!
Ma'am, thank you kanina ha. At naihahabol ng tarpaulin.